This is one project I'm working on at the moment here, is getting this Farmall A ready to go here. I'm going to this year turn this into my food plot tractor. I got it hooked to that little trailer back there. I'm going to plant a bunch of trees and make a food plot. Got her all serviced up here. Just not running well. So I'm going to rebuild the carburetor. I already took it off here. Let me just go show it to you. In the process here of taking it apart. So what I'm going to do is I got this chemical bucket here that you can dip carbs in there to clean them. And just going to dip my toothbrush in that and kind of scrub them up and clean them up good. The two halves, I already split it in half here. You can see there's the floats and the inside of the top. Where the heck did I put my Venturi tube? Oh, there it is right there. And got me a rebuild kit here from Steiner Tractor Parts. That was about 40 some bucks. I was just going to try to clean this up, but I'm like, you know what? I got the rebuild kit. I already got her apart. I might as well go ahead and do the rebuild on it. So I'm going to, she's pretty gacked up here with grime. So I'm going to scrub that up with a toothbrush and clean it up a good bit before I soak it overnight in here. And then I may do a video on rebuilding it, but I don't have time. And it's not like I don't have, I got like a bunch of other carburetors in here to rebuild. So I still got to do a video going through all this stuff and show you what I do with my, this is my quiet, happy place out here working on tractors and stuff. So no Harley Davidsons, no fishing trips. We play with old tractors. So anyway, I get to work here and get going on this and have a little quiet time. Well, we have a successful carburetor rebuild there. Tractor's running good now. I think I need to just fine-tune that idle just a little bit. But other than that, looking good, sounding good. All right, success.